there a good reward. So pray for East Africa, good leader for many years. Not to get surprised by a young boy to disgrace him because of his greediness. Sometimes when you're greedy in life, you lose everything. So this is what happened in life. This is a parable for you. So beloved in the Lord, you are blessed. Thank you for watching this 2024 prophetic message. 2024 is all yours. It's all yours. It's all. I said the other one that the new technology is not yet introduced. This is the implant chip. Implant chip is the sign of the beast in the book of Revelation. So as the time go on, you're going to see it. They're going to ask you, you can use your chip to control your phone. You can use a chip on your forehead for your brain to be brilliant. So when you see this sign, they ask you to use chip on your hands or on your forehead. Just be aware. This chip is the sign of the mark of the beast that the book of Revelation was talking about. This is a satanic mark. Once you have this beast, you have a satanic mark on you. So this technology is coming slowly. You're going to see after this year, probably you're going to know. Even if you go on the internet, you see there's a lot of in Sweden. When you see in Sweden, people are already using that implant chip in their hands in Sweden. So just be aware, and if tell your family, if they ask you to use it, just say no. Just say we can't use it. So be wise. Let the wise listen. Again, I'll say that Africa, and the whole world. Africa need to invest on agriculture. If Africa and all the government, if they want to make a good money for the future, to have a secure economy, Africa need to invest on agriculture. There's no other business Africa this time can do. If Africa government want to have a good, successful future, they need to invest on agriculture and farming. So are you friend with any of the government ministers? Tell them, go to your government and tell them they have to change their plan to invest more on agriculture. And the people of Africa need to put their hand on agriculture and farming, so that the future is going to be great. So even if you're a businessman, go and invest on farming.